Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download Path of Exile 2 on your Windows computer. So yeah, let's start the video. So first what you have to do is open your browser. I'm using Google Chrome. You can use your browser, and from here you need to search for Steam. You see, this is the result. We need to visit this website, and from here you see this Steam install. You need to tap here and again install Steam and wait for this to download. Alright, so now we have to start the download, and yeah, this is the Steam setup. You will get your Steam setup in your download location. So double click on your Steam setup. Now what we have to do is install Steam. So yeah, then next, so now choose your language, next choose your location and install. So this is the installation process. I hope you can get it. So now once you have installed Steam, this is how Steam looks like. So you need to create an account for the first time. Double click on Steam. This is how Steam looks like, and from here now what you have to do is go to the store. See store, tap here, and from the search you need to search for Path of Exile 2. Search for a game and you will find the results. You need to tap the first result. Alright, this is the first one, launched on 7 December 2024. Tap here, and from here you need to choose the one. So there are different versions, so you need to choose the one you want. Okay, now just tap to cart, view my cart, and continue to payment. So after you have done the payment, after you have completed your payment, your game will be reflected in your library here. All right, so you will find your game somewhere here. Just choose the game and there will be an install button like this. Tap the install button and you will be good to go. So that's how you download and install Path of Exile 2 on your Windows computer. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.